I receive a lot of messages every day in my socials, people asking me, should I borrow money to start trading Forex? I've heard about Forex trading, I want you to teach me, but I don't have money. How do I start trading Forex? Fred, I want to start trading Forex, but I have no money. Can I start trading with a loan? No, only cowards start trading with loans. You should see Forex trading as a business. And how can you start a business with no money? If you've watched my previous videos, I've made a video of how to start trading with as little as $20. I didn't say free. There is no free lunch. This is what you are thinking, but Banklifestyle, I've seen people on the internet, I've read articles of people who started trading with $100 and now they are millionaires. Maybe you might have seen some of my trades making about $300 a week. That's a decent profit, I think. But the balance I'll be trading with will be around $12,000. That means I can manage risk well and I can make small, consistent profits every day in the Forex market. By you trading with $20 account, you might be making some pennies or some cents in your trading account, and that would force you to increase your lot size, and with that you can blow your account, deposit again and blow it over and over again, and you'll be in the cycle of doom. So in as much as you can trade with $20, it will also be great to have a substantial amount to trade Forex with consistent small profits every day. That's where you can make a living with Forex trading. When I started trading Forex, I made a lot of terrible mistakes, which I wish I could go back to my past and correct them. But I've also learned a lot from that mistakes I did in the past. My first funding into my Forex trading account was my personal savings. I threw in all that cash and then I lost it within a day. I looked around for money, put it in, then I lose the money again because I didn't have enough knowledge in the Forex trading market and I was just clicking buttons and gambling, and I lost all my money within that time. I was literally donating money to the Forex brokers and now I've run out of cash. Now thinking of my next move, thinking of how I can get money again to fund my trading account. So I couldn't think of any other thing than to go to relatives to borrow money, taking loans here and there from family members and even promising them to pay with interest. Taking $50 here, $200, $500, and the bottom line is I lost it all within 2 weeks. And you know how humiliating it can be, especially in Africa, if you borrow money from a family member and you can't pay back. It's so embarrassing. At that point, I came to a conclusion that Forex trading is not something for me. I came across a book called The Psychology of Trading by Dr. Brett Steenbarger. That's a book that really shaped me and changed my whole perception and narrative about trading Forex. That's why I got to know Forex trading is not a get-rich-quicker scheme. It takes a lot of knowledge, a lot of time to be good and start making consistent profit in the Forex market. I go back to the exercise table with a new formula and mentality to approach the markets, and that's where things started to shoot up. I'd always wanted to do my own business, employ people to work with me. At that point in time, I had no choice, I had no option than to find a job to do for the capital to trade or to start trading Forex the right way. If you are in debt, and that's the reason why you want to start trading Forex, to make some profits, pay off your debts and be free, I don't think that's the right time for you to start trading Forex. And you can't also take another debt to come and trade Forex with, right? You need a capital from your own pocket, a money you've worked and sweat for yourself. That's the best kind of capital you can start trading with, and that could also make you really profitable in the Forex market. From experience, if you're even trading with a loan, you don't have that peace of mind. You're always in a rush to make the money back, pay the loan, and now be free. You don't have that inner peace. You don't have that patience to go through the process and make consistent profits in the Forex market. Never take a loan to start trading Forex. That's for cowards. Someone is probably saying, get out, I'll still go for a loan, trade with it and make big profits. It didn't work for you, but it's gonna work for me. Well, it's possible, but you're not exceptional. I'm also not exceptional. And believe me, you wouldn't want to take a loan to trade with. You can do that in a better way. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can trade for big companies. They're going to grant you cash like $10,000, $50,000, and even $100,000 real cash for you to trade with. And if you make profits, they're going to give you a percentage of that profit you made. So that's for serious traders who knows what they are doing and wants to go a step further. If you want to get that video first, subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification button so that when I post that video, you'll be the first person who can watch it. So traders, this is my advice for today for people who have been asking whether they should take a loan to start trading Forex. We're going to meet on the next one, and I sign out.